Oh, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle. A Sudoku medium in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022. We have two regular puzzles left: the Sudoku medium and the killer Sudoku. This one I've just solved. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku number 4199. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. 26 printed digits, a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the 2 in this third column? 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2? No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this column. No 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Another 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. One box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Okay, I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Will be difficult, Okay. How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next, so in that column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Then. 3, 1. Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, 5, 5. 7, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 5, 5. 4, 4. 7, 7, 7. Alright. 2, 2. How about the number? Let me see which number I can pick. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Yeah. 317. I'm thinking. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, and 6. Difficult. Okay. 2 missing numbers. 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and a 9. Thinking. 9. Hey, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. The third row. For the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As appear, 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 9. Okay. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. Okay. 5, 5. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle rows, and the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below, so the last row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. We have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Oh, wait. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this last row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, or there. Another 6 there, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Then. How about? One and three. I'm thinking. 1. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. So only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here in this column, no 7 here. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. Alright. Okay. 3, 5, 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5. It goes there. Then. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Let me see. 1, 3, and the 8. Yeah, the 8. 3, 8, and a 5. 3, 8, and a 5. 3, 8, and the 1. 3, 8, and 1. Well. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. That means here in the last row also 5 and 8. Okay. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Okay, that means the other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column. 8 In the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. In the last row, 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, yes. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5. It goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes because I'm analyzing those for more than 4 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Just leave a comment. Okay, 463, 463. We have a 794, 794, 186, 186. So here we have one pair, the 6. No, 2 pairs, the 4s. Yeah. All right, 2 pairs. Thank you again, and see you later. Bye-bye for now.